Congreve grainer. The Congreve grainer was manufactured in Birmingham in 1890 and was later acquired by the Spanish Army Artillery Unit for use in its gunpowder mill in Murcia, which today is part of Expal, Maxam's defense business unit. On loan by the Spanish Ministry of Defense to the Mining and Industry Museum of Asturias, MUMI, the transport, restoration and installation of the grainer in January 2015 was sponsored entirely by the Maxam Foundation. The granulator is a large piece of machinery, 8 meters by 5 meters by 1.5 meters, which was used to grind black powder mill cake into smaller particle sizes or calibers and then stamp them. Beneath the rollers is a sieve which sorts the granules into different grades, sifting them into wooden trays placed on trolleys. The grainer is constructed entirely of bronze, brass and copper, chemical resistant, non-sparking materials which aid in preservation and durability. Mahogany and heart pine were used for the sieve, rocker arms and hopper. The entire machine is framed by an elegant Victorian bronze structure, an ensemble which combines the functional, dynamic beauty of Gothic form with the rationality of the industrial design flourishing in the United Kingdom at the time. In order to return the assembly to its original appearance, it was sprayed with ground glass powder, rinsed and then shined. This process was used to eliminate the thick layer of buildup that had accumulated on the metal over time due to the contact of atmospheric elements with the materials used in the granular mixtures, removing the black coating and recovering the red beveling of the arches and the gold colour it displayed when first constructed. The wood was restored using water, detergents and wax. The belt was the only element that required a complete restoration, as the canvas and leather were completely irrecoverable. The fabric portion was reconstructed using canvas coated with a bitumen patina to reproduce the original colour as closely as possible. The Congreve grainer is the only one of its type and time period held in a Spanish or European museum, and it holds both historical and technical artistic value. An important piece, which is the latest addition to the House of Explosives, a section of the MUMI comprising primarily pieces furnished by Maxam from its facilities throughout the world: Portugal, Bolivia, Bulgaria, the United States, France, a result of the company's more than 140 years of history since its establishment by Alfred Nobel in 1872.